Good morning. I'm Steve Watson here at Deep River Landing on a fairly early morning, Deep River, Connecticut, here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. And today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider Wei Qi, that defensive Qi that's not found in the meridians, but found in the tissues of the body near the surface of the skin. It regulates the pores. It's related to the lungs, which of course is a pretty like a pore, a big opening between the outer and the inner. And I'm here, and I don't know if this will come out on camera or not, but there's appears to be a very thin layer of mist above the river that also seems to be flowing along like the river. Meanwhile, there's fish jumping, so you could probably hear them. Maybe you'll even see them. So it kind of puts me in mind of surfaces coming here. You know, the sort of the thin veil of fog just over the water, the fish breaking the surface of the water, the sun appearing to surface over the horizon. And so what I'd invite you to do for today's Tàijíquán Tip is to consider the Wei Qi. If you know how to regulate it or inform it, that'd be great. But just considering this, the gate of the pores of the body, or the gate of the skin, the bounds between the self and the world, and put that into your practice. If you're not quite sure how, just really focus on your breathing and imagine its influence on the defensiveness of the body system, its bounds and borders, and enjoy that. I was feeling inspired to think Wei Qi this morning, so thank you very much. Practice your breathing.
Thanks for showing your support for today's Tàijíquán Tip. Tips really go a long way, and if you can't afford to help financially, comment, subscribe, share, and like, and all that stuff. To be in touch with me, go to my Linktree, Someday Farm. Thank you.